welcome to BudgetTravelerChris.com, and that's Ron in the background waving. Where are you from, Ron?
I live here.
You live here, and that's the key. And you're from the States or Canada? Illinois. Well, nice to meet you, and you're just waiting for your Uber.
Yeah.
And there's your Uber now. You gotta love the Uber service in Puerto Vallarta. Say hi to YouTube. Uber driver, say hi to YouTube. Adios. So we're on a little venture to get the Canadian phone fixed. We've been here for 2 weeks today, and the Canadian phone hasn't been working at all. We've been using the Mexican phone here to make the videos, which is no problem. But I'm probably missing a few million messages from all my contacts that only have my Canadian number, because not everybody has my Mexican number. And right across from this colorful store here, which is a concrete building supply store, tiling and things like that. They do a lot of concrete tiling down here. We have a phone store. So this is a recommended phone store where I went with Sarah last year. You'll see in one of our videos. So I'm aware of this store. And we're going to go in the phone store here, see if we get me Telefono fixed. Give me a thumbs up for YouTube, you guys. Brian recommended me. I'm a YouTuber from Canada. And he said, mucho bueno. Come and see Cesar. Tu es Cesar? Cesar. Mucho gusto. Me llamo es Chris.
Chris. Hola, Chris.
Sí, mucho gusto. Okay. And mi canadiense telefono is a problema with the battery. The battery of the canadiense telefono is S22. It's 4 años. And plug it in and see. When you put the power in, it says 0. So I believe that maybe the battery is, maybe need a nuevo battery. Como battery in Espanol?
Batería.
Batería. Muchas similar palabras in Espanol and English, eh?
Sí.
And su English is muy bien. Su hable English bueno.
Poquito.
Poquito. Mi español is muy poquito.
Estamos igual.
See, I'm going to make a promotional video for you.
Okay.
So more Canadian American people come here to your store to help get their phone fixed.
Gracias.
Okay.
Gracias.
De nada.
Okay. Sí, la batería ya. It's open.
Oh, it's open. See, and cuánto cuesta for you to fix it?
Batería.
And this is where Cesar fixes the phones here. This is where his all his equipment is. And look at all the pieces inside a phone, eh?
Yeah.
And we have Ultra Persona fixing, and they use a magnifying scope to see what they're doing. It's so fine detail there. I've never seen what it takes to make a phone repair shop function, but yeah, a lot of little soldering, and he's getting right in there.
Listo.
For
500 pesos mexicanos.
¿Cuántos pesos?
500 pesos.
100 pesos?
500 pesos.
Oh, 500. That's the price of a new phone. At Kiosco is 499 for a brand new phone. Can you do a little bit better?
Pesos?
Yeah, pesos, 499, 100 pesos for brand new small phone. It's a smartphone. Yeah, it's a good phone though. I used it. The guy in the Melicon with the gun, I go, hey, it's the same phone from Kiosco for 500 pesos. He's like, yeah. I go, can I try it? I try. It works really good, eh? It's just small, right? Poquito. Poquito telefono. So it'd be 500 pesos for a new battery. And you can fix it right now?
In 2 hours.
In 2 hours I come back. Okay. Well, muchas gracias. Okay. And you got a deal, Cesar? So this is Cesar. He's going to fix my phone for 500 pesos. And it's going to be guaranteed for how many? Una annual guarantee?
Oh, 6 months.
Oh, 6 months. 6 meses is a guarantee. Okay, well, you heard it live here on BudgetTravelerChris.com, where you never know where we'll be or who we'll see. Muchas gracias también.
Okay.
You never know where we're going to be, so stay tuned to budgettravelerchris.com. Today we're in a phone store. This is a highly recommended phone store in Puerto Vallarta. And this address here is Emiliano Zapata. And what's your numero aquí on Emiliano Zapata, Calle?
Lazaro Cardenas.
Lazaro Cardenas, yeah.
450.
And ¿qué es el número?
450.
Cuatro is 4, 5,
0.
0. So 450 Lazaro Cardenas. And it's only how many blocks from the taco stands in the Guadalajara pharmacy? Dos blocks from all the taco stands.
In front of the Ferretería El Pariente.
And then actually we'll go outside and we'll show you what it looks like. Oh yeah, and it's right in front of this building that's very, very colorful here. And this is where it is, right here, right in this building. Hola.
Hola.
Say hola to YouTube. ¿Te gusta YouTube?
Hi.
You never know where we'll be or who you'll see on Budget Traveler. Stay tuned for more new and exciting videos, everyone. Live from Puerto Vallarta. And we're at the phone store right across from this orange and yellow building here, which is a building supply store. And not far from the Mirador Hill there.